Alright guys, so today we've got something new and it's a little disclaimer.
Certain terms and conditions apply. As an active full disclosure, please note this is an unboxing reenactment of this item and is originally
So let's do an unboxing. Got my trusty... Should I use that? Let's use that. I was going to use the knife, but I'll use that. Or maybe not use that, let's use the knife because that's not sharp enough. Here I don't want to cut what's inside, which you know obviously it's the lens, but let's do that and let's do that. Oh, there we go, pop. Okay, let's get rid of that because that's quite sharp. It wasn't brought brand new, I did buy it second hand, but I normally tend to buy the best condition ones in second hand, so they work out a bit cheaper, and you'll see it comes with the box and everything. So I've got a box and there's a separate hood, I think. There we go. So your hood that I've got there is the Canon EF-712. So that hood is quite necessary for this Canon 50mm 1.4 because there have been reports about its focus ring having issues. So because of that, I've made sure I've got the ring, the shade for it, hood even, using the proper terminology. So there we go, 50mm 1.4, and let's see. It's in good condition, so I should have everything, I think, apart from maybe possibly the leaflet. So that's just coming out there. I'll put the box out the way. It comes in a little foam insert. Yep, good, that's the top. So you can see there, that's the lens. Get rid of the little foams. There's a bit of paper in there which you don't really want to see, but hood. So I'll put the hood, well, let's take the lens off first, shall we? Lens off. It's got a filter already attached, which is a Hoya HMC 58mm. You can probably barely see that, but that's this. If I put the hood on now, that's what it's like with the hood on, and you can probably see straight through that there. 1.4 at its fullest. Great little lens. If you're looking for a 1.4, there's a few options at the moment out there. You can get the 1.8, which is similar, is quite close in terms of build. It's quite light, and I've had that for a bit, so I don't really like it if I'm out about shooting. But this lens, the 1.4, it's a mid-ground between the price range. Obviously 1.2 is available as well, but on these you're looking at about 250 quid now. If you find a good deal on them, you'll get them for that, probably 190 if you're pushing it in bad condition. But yeah, so this will give you really nice crystal clear footage and photos. I may put some sample photos at the back of this little review. But yeah, that's an unboxing 1.4 Canon. Hope you enjoyed it.